Hello everyone, welcome to Enjoy Life with Charlotte Felix. Guys, this is Spy. I am showing you live my trading view chart. Okay, let's see what's going on. 129 February the 20th, 2025, and Spy is bullish at the time, but we see that we have a red candle coming in. Will the sellers be able to come in? So we probably play around a little bit right here. So it looks like Spy is trying to go higher. And if we come over here, and I'm going to change this to Nvidia. To Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia. And we'll see how it is moving. Okay, we are on a 5-minute chart. And Spy is at $609.15, and we see Nvidia is at 139.75 per share. Okay? So will this market go higher? Now, what would happen, what I'm looking at, if this last candle turning red and sometime turning green, will it go beyond this 140.04? Now that probably would mean that it would go up, but we see that it's coming down, so we see sellers are in charge. Go and move my screen. We was at 10:20. We was at 137.51. And so we see that the bulls stepped in and they're trying to take it back up. And that is what it seems like they're going to do. Now, will this turn around at 132? Now we're getting close to closing. Will Spy come down as well? Sometime, as I told you before, Spy will follow Nvidia. Okay, sometime Nvidia carry the market. So we're going to just wait a few minutes and see what the market is going to do. I'm going to click on this. We see that the volume is kind of low. So we see that the volume is kind of low at 129,000 people in that 5-minute candle. So and if I switch over to the 15-minute candle, we're going to see more most likely. Okay, so and if I go to this 3-minute candle, you probably not see it, but the volume is changing. But I'm going to go back to the 5. And I'm going to see what the RSI is. The RSI is showing, well, it's most likely it's even. What I'm looking at now is sort of even. 54, between 54 and 54. So the market just might move a little up and down before it make that final move. So because of the time being 1:33, Spy might come down a little. Spy just might come down a little. Okay, we are going to wait and see. So as we look up here, we're on the 5-minute. This is the S&P 500. Okay, you're looking at the red bar here, which is the volume. We see these green and red bars. This is your volume. And so right now, the reason why you see this red candle higher is because you look up here, the sellers are involved and they are in charge at the moment, at least on the 5-minute. Now I'm gonna click on the 15-minute. Let me click on the 1 hour. Okay, so we see each one of these candles is an hour. So this green candle was the last hour on Spy, and this candle was 2 hours ago. Okay, so this is an hour, and this red candle is showing, and we have at least 54 minutes, 0.56 seconds left. So this hour just started. Okay, this hour. Okay, this candle right here. And I'm going to go back to the 5 because we watch on the 5 minute. We're just moving a little. So the SPY is undecided if the sellers are going to take it. Then we look at the low volume. Usually with the low volume this way, this is how the market moves. But still, the sellers are trying to bring it down. And we look over here at Nvidia, we see that Nvidia is definitely coming down. Okay, if you notice on the video, I'm going to point something out for you. Will the sellers bring it lower than these candles here? Because every time we see that the candle hit this mark, which I have this green line right here, it turned around. So it couldn't pass it. It passes some, but we see it bounce back up. So will the same happen here? This is one indication that will let you know that the market, that Nvidia might turn around. So will it break? Okay, which is that 139.47. We'll just wait and see. Okay, it's some information over here. I'm going to read it for you. It's talking about NVIDIA. This is probably why NVIDIA has gone back up. It says NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs are in high demand, driven by AI investment. Analysts note that enterprise customers in Asia and the U.S. IT leaders are significant expanding AI infrastructure. So this is some news just came in for today. Okay. So let's take a look over here. So we see that it's trying to bounce back, talking about NVIDIA. And I am definitely on a 5 minute counter talking about NVIDIA. Say it is 137. We are going to watch this market and see what NVIDIA does and also see what SPY does. So far we are 1, 2, 3 counters down, and we see that the 9 EMA is making a downturn. So this kind of gives you an indication that this market, that NVIDIA just might break at this 149.46 and go back lower. But there is a struggle. So we'll have to just watch and see. And if we look and see at the top, this was one indication. See how it went all the way out. It went almost up to this 140, but it turned, it couldn't break that 140, and so we see this happen 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That can be an indication as well that something is getting ready to turn around. Okay, the sellers are stepping in. We had sellers up there, so they stepped in. Now we have to break this 139.45. Let's see, will we break it? There you go. It's breaking it. So will SPY come down as well? There go another green candle. You see how it's trying to come up? Okay, I got this cursor on it. The candle that's moving, the 5 minute candle that's moving at the time. See, there you go, going back up again. So we have sellers there in that area, and we also have buyers. So there's a tuggle going on. It is almost 2 o'clock. The market closed at 3. Okay, here's 5-minute candles. Let's see. 1 minute has passed, and that's 3.355. Let's see, will the bulls turn Nvidia around, and will it go higher and then pass over this 140 and go even higher? Or this 139? It's a struggle. The volume is also low. If you look to I'm facing my computer, so if you look to my left and you see volume, I'm going to point towards it right here where it says VOL. I have my cursor here. And I'm going to go back to the candle and put my cursor on my candle. You see the volume is 230 something 0.75 thousand people. So now the volume is growing. So most likely if the volume keep growing, Nvidia will make a turnaround, and we see that's what it's doing. So it has, y'all, it has stopped so many times right here. And the sellers tried to take it down. They tried to get involved, but we see evidently there are too many buyers, which are bulls. There are too many bulls here, and it seems like they want to take it up. We're going to see. Now, to have a little assurance, now we'll have to definitely go beyond this candle right here. So right now we just passing this one. So will it continue? And we only have, let's see how many minutes in this. We only have 2 more minutes in this 5-minute candle. Let's take a look. Now you get an idea how the market moves sometimes. Sometimes it's slow moving, you know. And if you are trading, what you will do is wait on your good setup. This is a good setup. This is one indication. Wow, that this market has turned around here so many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Then 9. This is the 10th time. Since, let's see what time. I'm just going to use this candle. Since 12:20. So let's see what the volume is. The volume is still close. The RSI is still close. The volume is at what? Let me see. It's going up. It's at 500 and something people now. Almost going on 600,000. Okay, will they hit that 600? They're trying to bring it up. The buyers are trying to step in and cause Nvidia to go up, to hit that 140. Okay, the volume is still increasing on Nvidia. But the RSI is showing otherwise. Okay. And if we look over here, we see SPY as well. SPY is definitely doing this. You see how it's following Nvidia? Sometimes Nvidia carries some parts of the market. Now we see sellers trying to take it back. So we see a red candle as on SPY. We see a red candle on SPY, and then we see this red candle on Nvidia due to SPY moving up and down because Nvidia is moving the same. Okay, green candle still. Second green candle. And it's the third. All right, let's see. There is a tug of war at this moment at 1:45 p.m. Thursday, February the 20th, 2025. Now, when you're looking at this, looking at trading view, my chart, you come down here. You can see you can set it on a 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Then you can go all the way back to the year to date, 1 year, 5 years, and you can push all, and it'll show you all the data in 1 month's intervals. Okay. And we look over here at SPY, we see a double bottom, and we see the same thing, a double bottom since the last, since 135. It's 147 now, so we're up here. This is one indication that it could turn around, not only just this double bottom, but all the way back here, where this green line, as I talked about it earlier. And what we need to see, okay, we need to see this green candle, this green volume candle right here. We need to see it move above this red candle. We will definitely know then above this green candle and this red candle, even above this one. Need to go higher. We'll know that it will have a chance to continue going upward. Okay, we'll SPY. Make it back up to that 609, or will it turn around right at this little red hangman candle right here? Oh, there it is. You see how it pushed up? It's gonna hit that 609.82, and it can go back up to 610. Wow, that was a great move. And we see that Nvidia hit this white line that I have, but it bounced back. So we'll both turn around. We'll SPY, turn around at the 609.82, and will Nvidia turn around at the 139.91, or will it continue and go higher? We'll check and see, and after this, I believe I will cut it off for today. Okay, so you're looking at Nvidia, and you're looking at the S&P 500 on Trading View. There it is. Looks like we are going to break through. Let me see what the RSI is. Wow. It's breaking through. Will it go to this 140? And we'll SPY be back up to 611. I have this marked if over bullish. Okay, this was in the morning. I marked this morning at 8:30 at opening. Okay, will it go back up? It tumbled so far down earlier, so we see that the market made a turnaround, trying to go back. Okay, let's see. And we see Nvidia turned around at this mark, at that 140.04. Nvidia turned around 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and this is going to be the 5th time since 110. Okay, it's 1:51 now, p.m. Okay, this is upside down hammer, which will make a difference if it closes at a hammer, upside down hammer. Whoa. That's the turnaround. We'll continue to turn around. We had some sellers sitting up there waiting on it. Wow. Put it back on SPY. Would that be a temporary downturn on SPY, or we see that the seller's trying to bring it back down at 609.82. Let's take a few more minutes, and believe me, the market probably will let us know what it's going to do. Will it go higher or come back down? I'm going to check and see what did the market open up with this morning. Okay. Okay, the market opened up at 611 point, not the market, SPY opened up at 611.49 this morning. So we see that it's trying to go back up where it opened. Okay, the highest point was at 613.17, and the lowest for today was 609.66. Okay, so right now we're just back at the lowest because it's at 609 on SPY 80. So will it go beyond or under that 609.66, or will it go up to that, back to 611.49 before 3 o'clock today? Will it just play in the range? Now it can just stay in that range, move up and down in that range on Spy and Nvidia. Nvidia can stay in this range. Put my over here, you see this 140.03, and down here where it always turned around, 139.45. We need that volume to increase. Now, we need the volume went lower on when it comes to the bulls, which are the buyers. Now they're trying to buy back in, but we see there's some sellers right there. So it's going to be the sellers are going to give them a run for their money. Okay, bulls are stepping in, and the volume is increasing. The volume is definitely increasing. But it's not a high volume, so there's a chance that it'll just move upward a little and then move downward a little for a while. So we are definitely still under this morning opening on SPY. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we looked like we were going to hit that 610. Here it is. We're going to hit that 610. Okay guys, we hit that 610. And it's trying to continue go upward. Okay, now that you see that the market has continued to attempt to go back up towards opening at that 611, I'm going to end this video, and we see Nvidia steady moving forward and upward. It definitely hit that 140 and above. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for viewing. Stay tuned.